Thank you for your
Thank
love.
you.
I just love you for free.
I love you too, Mama. Thank you too. It's okay.
Thank you. Hello guys, I hope this finds you well. Hope you're fine. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. It's another new day that God has given us. In fact, it is afternoon here in Kenya, Nyabohanse, Africa. So I always say that a good day, there's some things that shows that a day is good. Imagine I've just met somebody on the way and this person has given me 10 bob this one. It's long since somebody gave me money. And in fact, this is just that today I'm going to get some money. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for giving it a like. Thank you so much for the love that you've shown me. The subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Even though I take a long time to post a video, but I promise you guys, I'm going to post videos. I need your comments so that I may know exactly what my subscribers like. So I'm looking forward for you to watch my videos, giving your comment and also liking my videos, guys. It's drizzling. So for now, let me just stop this video because it is raining and then we are catching up, guys. Thank you. Okay, so guys, I've just met Min Awi. I'm so excited, guys. So welcome, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys, as I told you that I've met one of the YouTubers, so she's going to introduce herself. Yeah, welcome to my channel.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can just introduce yourself.
Okay, guys, my name is Min Hawi, guys.
Yeah.
If you don't know me, kindly search for that name. I do reaction videos and vlogging at the same time. So kindly check me out.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful to be here to support a sister who's been wanting to, who says that she's my supporter and she likes me. So I was like, why not show up for her? You know, she's amazing, guys. Kindly subscribe to her channel, support her road to 1,000 subscribers. I hope that she gets there sooner than sooner. Okay, yes,
Thank you so much. I'm meeting you for the first time.
Oh yeah,
In fact, I've been following up and then I was just asking, how did you come up with your name?
my baby's name is Hawi. Hawi means luck. Okay, so my baby's name is Hawi. So Mama Ke Hawi, Mama Hawi, Min Hawi. Min Hawi.
Min Hawi.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are the mother to Hawi.
Yes.
Yeah, I like your name.
Thank
and
you.
then I've been watching you through.
Okay.
And then I like what you're doing. And also, most importantly, I like your voice.
People don't like my voice. They say I shout, I make noise. Come on.
I'm just in love with your voice.
You love it?
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
know,
God.
I realized that somebody can just get in love with maybe one thing or two things,
Okay.
and then this person just loves you.
Oh really?
So me, I just love your voice.
Thank you.
So I know it is God
Guys,
given.
you love, like, does it even make sense? I think I shout a lot, I talk a lot. I'm a very fast speaker, so I don't know. Maybe, but thank you all in all. I'm grateful.
Okay, thank you, Mina,
Yeah,
for
so-
coming to our village.
Yeah. Questions for me? Ask me anything.
Yo, I can ask you many questions.
Yes, please, go ahead.
Yeah. So I've been just watching you, and then okay, you can just tell me how did you come up? Okay, how did you start a YouTube channel?
I started my YouTube channel like 5 months ago.
Okay.
I just I was consuming a lot of Marwa content and the family's content.
Okay.
So I felt like it was being unfairly targeted most of the time. So
Okay.
I decided like, okay, let me speak my voice. Let me just air out. I was just doing a video just to say like what I'm thinking in regards to like the hate that he was receiving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I did one, and within a day or two, I had like 200 views. I was like, okay. But then I hadn't really planned on monetizing it. No.
Okay.
I just wanted to just talk, air my views.
Yani
Then I found people liking
yeah,
it.
you're
Yeah.
trying to be yourself.
Oh
yani,
yeah. So I found people liking it. So here we are today.
thank
Yeah,
you.
but it has been amazing supporting him, and I think we've watered down the hate in a way. So, it's a bit. No, some haters are quitting. You know, they're quitting. They're leaving. You saw one who came here recently.
Yeah.
So you saw that. So yeah.
I know the other
so,
one.
Yeah.
Who
So
came.
yeah. People. Some of them have stopped because that's the because of the work we've been doing. Okay. The haters to stop. All these things have to stop at some point.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you so much for the love that you have for this family.
Thank you.
I know it is genuine and it is the passion that you have for them, and then also you like everything that is going on here.
Yeah.
So another question is, okay, as a YouTuber, okay, what advice can you tell me?
Okay, the advice I have for you is be consistent. Like always make sure you upload a video each and every day, and don't give up. Even if two people watch, like there's a way YouTube normally picks that. It picks your consistency and pushes you to people.
Okay.
Eventually, trust me. So don't stop. Don't ever say like, oh, I only get one view, like 2 views or 3 views or 20 views the whole month, or no. Just keep on doing it.
Okay.
Like it kind of goes like it picks that.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you will find yourself just flourishing with time.
With time.
Yeah. So never give up. Be very consistent each and every day.
Posting videos, yeah.
Yes, positive videos every day.
Okay, what can you tell me? Okay, me professionally, I'm a teacher, and then maybe
I'm a teacher too. I'm a technical teacher. Yeah.
And you're doing it.
I'm not teaching. I went for like a year and I was like, nah, I don't want to be talking all the time like this.
Okay.
Like, it was I'm a teacher, I'm a marketer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in that still, I'm in that profession. So how do I schedule myself?
Okay, like every day when you come from school or before you go to school, sometimes just do a clip in the morning or like a 10-minute thing before you go, maybe how you walk your routine, and then maybe when you have break time, just go away 5 minutes, record. Then when late in the evening we talk, maybe 5 or 4 from school, record, say talk to people about how your day was, the things that you know, such kind of things.
Okay.
Yeah, and that will be like that's how you should schedule yourself. And during the weekends, also focus more on the content. Just take an hour of your time. Talk about yourself and the things that you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you too.
So at least I have a way to. I have a way. You
Don't
don't
give up. Never give up. Don't, even with that time when you feel like you want to give up. Never ever give up. Okay.
Yeah.
Never don't look at people and compare yourself to people and say, oh, he has 1,000 subscribers and I don't have. Oh, he has these views. No. Everyone has their own journeys. So don't focus more on people. Focus on yourself and what
So
you have.
I just do my things.
Just do your things and pray to God that God, please, today when I put this video, let it even get 20 views if it had maybe 15 views yesterday. God, please make this. Also share this to your social media. Don't be afraid that people in your WhatsApp group are going to laugh at you. Me, I started sharing and telling the guys watch, even at 10 subscribers, please watch like every day.
Okay.
I like watch. We'll get 1 or 2 people will watch, or maybe others will share. Okay. So don't ever like look down upon yourself. Say that I cannot do this, I cannot do that. No, just look at yourself and say that I got this and I'm going to do this. And then the end of the day, it's about me and what I have to showcase to the
what
world.
I'm doing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the encouragement. And then, okay, maybe another question. Okay. How are you seeing this YouTube taking you?
Looking at it like from the boss here, he inspires us a lot most of the times.
Okay.
So I'm looking like to do it long term at some point.
Okay.
You know, like there's a time I think like I want to be in working where I work, and I'll just focus on it. So that's like the goal, because sometimes employment makes you feel like you know, like you can't really you like it makes you feel like you're tied down. You because you have no hope of maybe, you know, like you say, if I leave my job today and focus on YouTube, maybe you know, you may not be able to afford things. But for now, I cannot advise you to stop your job. Focus on your job. Just create time for YouTube. So even just 30 minutes a day. That's enough. You know? Yeah. Just talk about your day, how you're feeling, your frustrations, your excitements, everything, all that. Capture them on camera and come and share them here.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. How many subscribers do you have at the moment?
I have 3,600. No, it's a good number. Yeah, thanks to my boss who boosted me like big time.
Okay, when he came into your life, how many subscribers did you have?
The other day,
that
I had
time?
2,100.
Okay.
So right now I'm at 3,600.
That's a good number.
Now that's now what bosses do. They uplift you. They make you get up here. Okay. I want to be that boss at some point in my life. I want to have people also come to look for me. How please help me. How please do this for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you
And
too.
you know me. I'm happy for these YouTubers in this village. You know. I teach at Reverend David University, and it's like most of them have passed through my hands.
Okay.
Akina Dimwango.
Oh, really?
I am a super. Call them.
No, yeah. Talk to them.
Them.
Like, come talk to them. Tell them, D, please, my daughter daughter
Even though
or
they
my
fear
friend.
me.
They cannot fear you at this point. Now they're grown people. They'll be so they'll appreciate you, they'll support you because you are there for them.
Okay.
You are the reason why they are who they are today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'll go for them.
You'll go for them.
I'll go for them.
Sindio?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay, so thank you so much for meeting you.
Thank you
I'm
too, my
so
dear.
excited.
I'm excited too.
Yeah, it was not planned, but you know,
It's okay. It's okay.
You
never know about
yeah, you never know
about tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
So
yeah.
we'll always be here.
Okay,
for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you too,
so,
so guys, subscribe to her channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
We want her to get monetized soon, before the party. So make sure you frequent here so that things work out for you.
Okay, thank you.
During the weekends, just show up.
Okay.
When we do videos, we boost you, we share, things will work out for you.
Thank you for your love.
Thank you.
I just love you for free.
I love you too, Mama. Thank you too. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
All right, bye.
Thank you, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
All right.
So kindly go subscribe to her channel, and also remember to subscribe to mine too. Nice mom, show me your love. So guys, let me just end this video officially. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you guys.